Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the excluded from Noindex tag problem on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using an external site for this because I cannot replicate that problem, and the issue might not be tied directly to WordPress and might be much more general in nature. Now, what happens mostly is it might be due to an error in the Google Search Console, and the way that you can do this or check off if everything is working correctly is just go over into your Google Search Console account, then go into Pages, find the Excluded by Noindex tag, and then you'll find a list of all your URLs. Now, to fix this, if you're in WordPress, there might be a problem that is happening due to your, well, not to say carelessness, but you might have forgotten. If you're migrating your site, or if it's under development, go into settings, go into reading, and make sure discourage search engines from indexing this site is off. Once that is off, everything should return to normal, and nothing should be no indexed. And if you check this off, everything will be no indexed, and if anything is getting excluded, there might be some conflicts. Now, an SEO plugin might be creating no index tags or just not functioning correctly. You want to go into the pages and the settings of your SEO plugin, whatever you're using, such as Rank Math or Yoast. And once you're in the settings, you need to search for robots meta and make sure index is selected if you want your pages to be selected by default. And then if you want to manually go over and add the no index tag, you can open the page or post, then click on the SEO plugin settings within the editor, and then check off the no index tag in the post settings, and that should no index that page as it should. Just try resetting it and everything should work correctly. If it doesn't, I really don't know what else the problem might be, but that is pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.